Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. Are you gonna go to the book?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Mommy,
All
are you
right.
going to the book fair?
Book fair, yes.
Yay!
My teeth are
my
so.
book costs $6.99.
All right, let's go across.
My book costs after.
I have a lot to do today, so I figured I would vlog today.
It's after recess.
After recess?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be so fun. Mine costs $16.99.
Say what? Say what?
A water bottle.
I don't have any water bottle.
My book costs $16.99.
Really?
Yes. My book costs. It comes with my book is Minecraft, and mine's is $6.
All right, later.
Later, but make sure you come to the book fair.
All right. Hello again, it's me and Gio. Gio, put your belt on. I'm not gonna tell you again. Gio, put your belt on. It's not because it's cold. Put your belt on.
Golden hair.
Gio, not because it's cold does not mean that you don't get to put your belt on. Please put your belt on. We're not going anywhere. And I'm not turning the heat on until you put your belt on. We are waiting. They just went in my house. They just went in my apartment. They just went in my apartment. Hopefully they don't go and search and stuff to go dig up my things and stuff. Okay, so me back. All right. Gio got his belt on. Maintenance people just went in my apartment because they're doing preventive maintenance, something. I don't know. But they just went into my thing, and I'm backing up my car while I'm trying to vlog. Not the best idea. Don't do it if you're not. You can't do it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But I am going to put gas because I don't know. I'm going to the bank. I'm going to put gas. Then I'm going to my children's book fair. And then I'm going to pick up dinner. I'm surprised if this gas light does not come on. Because my husband drove my car and then put gas in it. And I don't have a debit card because that's how I control my spending. So I have to drive all the way to the bank on E. So hopefully I get there. Yeah, if not, I'm just gonna be stuck on the side of the road. I'm just gonna be stuck on the side of the road, and this man is just on my ass. Why is he on my ass? And I'm praying. Please guys, pray for me that I get to the bank in the nick of time because I have no gas. I hate when people come to the stop sign and sit. Like, what are you sitting for? Go. I had a doctor's appointment yesterday. I didn't go because I didn't have any gas and I didn't feel like being bothered. But my daughter wants me to come to the book fair for her. So I'm gonna show up for her. Because I don't want my child to say I was never involved in her schooling, you know, and that I was a lazy stay-at-home mother. So I'm gonna go to their book fair, and I thought I saw a deer. I don't like deers. Oh, I'm driving on E. I don't like to drive on E. It makes me so nervous. I don't like to be stuck nowhere with my car in the middle of the road and oh gosh. I'm on E, people. I'm on E. I feel like going to the gas station and just putting $1 because that's all I have. What do you think? Should I go put $1 or should I just go straight to the bank and pray? Because I think my reserve, I think I have a reserve. After your gas light comes on, don't you get a reserve? Like a reserve that your reserve comes in. I think, I don't know. But I'm going to go, guys. I'm driving. So I'll talk to you guys once I get to the bank. My light is on.
Okay, so guys, my husband and I, that was weird. Oh, there's something in my eye. There's something in my eye. So my husband and I have been talking about baby number 5, and we do want to add another child because I feel like, you know, we would get another little girl, and my husband wants another little girl, and my daughter wants a sister. And I don't have a problem with large families. I come from a large family. You know, the 5th of 8 children. I'm the 5th of 8 children. 6. No, I'm 6. Yeah, 6. I'm the 7th. No, 6. Whatever. I'm one of the siblings of 8. So I come from a large family. A lot of people look down on it. Me particularly, I don't care. You know, I'm married. You know, my husband. You know, my husband have a decent job. We are in the process of either buying or building a house. Either one, whichever one we're leaning towards, or whichever one is best suits us. I don't want an old house because I'm scared of ghosts, duppy. I don't want to live with a duppy. I'm scared of ghosts. I'm afraid of older homes. So I think that building would be best ideal for us, because I don't want to buy a house and then find out that it's haunted. You know, so I want to build. So my husband was like, well, maybe we should wait until after we get the house to do baby number 5. But I am getting older, and I don't want to have kids after 35. I am 32 now, and I don't want to have kids after 35. And I want to have a baby in the summer. So right now would be the ideal time to try. And we are trying. We are actively trying. I'm still kind of like, oh, yeah, but it would be nice to have a baby. And if we do, I am tracking my ovulation, but so far all my tests have been negative, so I don't know. My app says that I'm scheduled to ovulate tomorrow, but we have been, you know, doing the baby thing, doing the baby dance or whatever. We have been actively, you know, trying, doing what we need to do to have a baby. So if I turn out pregnant this month, yay. If not, I'll probably wait, because I don't want to have another fall, winter baby. Because all my kids are fall, winterish, except for Destiny. She was born in August. I feel like another sister would be nice for her. If we do end up with a boy, so be it. Whatever God gives us is what I'm taking, you know. So anyways, that's that for right now. Right now, I'm heading to the kids' school for their book fair, because book fairs, yes. Huh? I drove. I drove here. There's no parking over there. Oh crap, I'm gonna have to park on the road. Hold on, guys. Let me park this car. Hold on, guys. Hold on. So yeah, I'm here at the kids' school, and you know me, can't drive with my shoes on. It's the weirdest thing. But I learned to drive my car without my shoes, and now I can't drive with shoes on. I have to be able to feel the metal, you know. If not, I feel like I don't have control of the car. It's weird. It's weird, but whatever. As long as I get to where I'm going safely, who cares? So, yeah, gotta go to the book fair. Take your belt off, brother. I'm just gonna walk with my wallet. I don't feel like being bothered with so many things. Just gonna walk. And I did exchange my wallet for this. If you guys have seen my birthday haul, not the haul, but my birthday surprise video. What the heck? I exchanged the wallet for this one. This is the one I really wanted. But the other one that my husband got, that's the one he likes. So, that's the one he got me. Come. And, yeah, so we are trying for baby number 5. And a lot of people would look down on us because my husband is 28 years old. And, you know, come here, give me a hand. Has 5 kids. But who cares? He takes care of his kids, you know? He takes care of his kids, so that's your problem. You guys can look down on us all you want. We take care of our children. We don't depend on the government. We don't get hands out. We don't use any kind of assistance to take care of ours. Strictly our money. So if we want to have 10 kids, that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go into the school thingy. I'll probably vlog in there, I'm not sure. But yeah, for right now. Oh, this is my outfit for today. Isn't it cute? It's adorable. It's the top I told you guys I got. This is No Limit. Molly told me better shade to show y'all. But yeah, this is the top. It says none basic. And my jeans and my shoe. Yeah. So come on, Gia, run, Gia, run.